Well, it is not unusual to see a Panthers player getting treated for an injury during a game, of course, but what about when they need treatment that you can't see?
The Panthers are at the forefront of mental health treatment in the league. Eyewitness News reporter Deshaun Brown spoke with the team's therapist, who says it's a position every team needs. Right, Deshaun?
And Liz, pretty soon every team in the NFL will have a therapist in-house. That is the new NFL rule. But the Panthers have really been ahead of the game on this for almost a year.
More than anything, the feeling that you're weak or that you can't talk about it.
Their voices are getting louder and more prominent with pro athletes like Kevin Love, Michael Phelps, or Steve Smith.
And I just started to realize that I'm struggling.
All using their platform to tackle the stigma on mental health.
They are very much human. They bleed, they cry, they have struggles just like everyone else.
Tish Guerin is there to help athletes manage their struggles, or if they need to just talk. Last fall, the Carolina Panthers hired her as one of the first therapists in the NFL, in-house, full-time.
I'm excited that we're normalizing it more. We're normalizing that just because you go and you speak and you talk to a therapist doesn't mean that you're necessarily being diagnosed. It doesn't mean that you even have a diagnosis. And I think more importantly, that's what people are afraid of a lot of time. They're afraid of the label.
Guerin's role isn't confined to an office. She's at practice, eating lunch with the team, or traveling for scouting trips.
It makes a difference.
The Charlotte native says that access has been critical in building bonds and trust.
And as a psychotherapist, I have to live and die by my confidentiality.
Recently, the NFL joining suit, mandating that every team hire a behavioral health clinician by training camp. That person should be available between 8 and 12 hours a week, and among other duties, come up with a mental health emergency action plan.
What mental health really is making sure that you're balanced, is making sure that one aspect of your life is not overtaking another. That's the most important part, is to normalize it.
And Guerin told me the Panthers organization really deserves a lot of the credit on this. She said they saw the investment beforehand in treating the entire person, and without that, she probably would not have been here. Reporting live outside of Bank of America Stadium, Deshaun Brown, Channel 9 Eyewitness News at 10.